Okay, when we're doing the task of checking the statements or other tasks in the awaiting payment in Xero, it's a lot easier if you have the columns in the same order as what they appear in the statement. Like it's the transaction type and then the amount owed and things like that. So we can do that in Xero. In Xero, we go here with the columns, and we just can adjust the dates up and down, so they match how we want them. So yeah, how we want to have them matching is in the same order um, as how the statement looks. So that's, it's got the company name first, then it's got the date of the invoice or the credit or the date of the transaction. Then it's got the reference number or invoice number or whatever that is, and then it's got the amount due there. So they're the columns we're looking at. So if we have it in that order like that, much easier and less likely to make errors and stuff like that. Just as a tip. Thank you.